third one is basically what? Third one is the rule based BP. I will go ahead and I will talk more about object based definition, but let us just understand the definitions or the processes one by one. Okay, now the third one is the rule based BP. What does rule based BP means? Suppose you are creating a rule here. Okay, now for example, we have created our version of hire for supervisory organization, AMJ supervisory organization. Suppose we want to create any additional rule. Okay, for example, mm, maybe the time type has to be your full time employees. Okay, so that means you are hiring only full time employees in your supervisory organization. Okay, and you want to have a separate rule based BP or the business process for that. Now, how to create a rule based BP? Okay, so in order to do that, you have to go to your default definition. Okay, remember guys, when you have to go to default definition, when you have to go to your object based definition. So the task is again BP hire bracket default. I hope it will come. Okay, this is what happens. It takes little longer time. Okay, because yeah, see, you just have to type, or you have to type with the space and other things. Okay, because there will be a lot of higher customized versions in Workday tenant. Now, in order to create your rule base, the task is again the same, guys. Okay, you have to just go to the related action, business process. Okay, click the third one, copy or link business process definition. Okay, now instead of using the first one, I will choose the last one here. Okay, you are basically creating your rule based workflow definition. Okay, now what I'll do is I will give a name, AMJ rule based BP. Okay, now I'll just click on to OK. Okay, I will not edit any steps as of here, because probably I will take it, I'll try to do it tomorrow or maybe later on. First, I want you to understand the concepts clearly, and I will click on to OK. Okay, so that means our rule based definition has been created. Okay, so rule based, what I have to type, I just have to type the definition. Okay, so hire for AMJ, no, not this one, but AMJ rule based. See, hire AMJ rule based business process. I'll just make a note of these guys. Okay, the first one is AMJ. Now, what I will do is I will click on to the related action. Okay, why I'll click on to the related action? Because I have not configured the rule yet. Okay, I need to put the condition that I want to. I hope you remember the condition. What was the condition? I want only full time employees to be a part of this higher definition. In this case, I will just go to the business process. Okay, there is something called rule based business process configuration. Okay, that means you are configuring this rule based business process. Okay, and I will click on to OK. Now, guys, see, you are you can put a role over here, eligibility criteria, worker full time or part time. Okay, I don't want this rule to be part of the BP that I want to create. I want to create my own new rule. Okay, then what you can do is you can create, there is an option of creating your condition rule. Okay, you just have to create your condition rule, click OK, and it works more or less the same way that you have it for your comp eligibility. Okay, here I will probably mention it as time type AMJ. Okay, so that means I am putting a criteria for full-time employees. Okay, what should be the source field here, guys? Worker time type. Okay, or in case if it is time type, I'll just click on to related action. See, this is a Workday delivered report field. Okay, I'm okay with that. So I'll just click on to OK. Always, whenever you are trying to create any rule, try to figure out in case if there is any Workday delivered field. Okay, you can select any custom field also. For example, if I just click on to time type, okay, you can see there are a lot of custom fields as well. um See here, it's okay, this is also Workday delivered. Shall I find any, this one maybe, time type additional position, time type is full time, maybe this one. Okay, see, this is again, I think it's not Workday delivered. Yeah, this is a custom field. Custom field means somebody has created this condition. Now what happens in this case, there is no wrong in that. You just have to figure out what is the rule that they have put. Also, in case if the person changes the rule, okay, there is an option that you can create your own rule and you can change it. In case if the person changes the rule, then it will be applicable to your definition also. So it's always better to use your Workday delivered field. Okay, so this is a, see, Workday field sources, it says that it's a Workday delivered report field. Okay, so I'll just click on to time type as Workday delivered. Relational operator is something which shows go gives me a forward direction in the selection list, and it will give you a is equal to b. That means it will have your comparison value. Okay, now in case if you want to select only full-time workers, you have to select full-time, or if you want to select both full-time and part-time, you can select both. Okay, probably would like to select only full-time worker, and I will click on to OK. Okay, if I click on to OK, okay, sorry. So guys, see, this is the rule that you have put. Now this is the rule based workflow definition. That means where this rule will be applicable. Okay, Workday wants you to give it to him. What is the, where do you want to put it? Now can anybody tell me where should I put it? I have to put it here, guys. Okay, AMJ higher, AMJ supervisory organization. Okay, so this is where I would like to put it for. Okay, so your higher AMJ rule based BP is the one where you will be putting this rule for. Okay, so now you have put your time type AMJ and you have put your rule based workflow definition. Now in case if you just click on to OK, okay, so that means you have created a version of this object based definition. That means higher AMJ rule based definition. In case if you are hiring only for your full time employee, okay, then your rule based higher BP will be applicable. Okay, any questions you have, guys? Did you understand what I have tried to do here? I have showed here what is the default default definition. Okay, I have showed how to create your object based business process. Okay, so basically you have to click your BP to your supervisory org. Okay, third comes your rule based BP. Okay, so let me just show you. Sorry, rule based business process. Okay, so that means in addition to this supervisory org, if there are some other additional conditions, say for example time type has to be only full time. Okay, in that case you will be using your rule based business process. Okay, I hope you understood the differences between three of them. Yes or no? Any questions?